Jesus, salamat po sa araw na ito.
Everyone is celebrated. Everyone is acknowledged, recognized, and welcomed, and valued, and respected. We have 3 teachers, Filipino teachers. 2 of them grew up here. I've spoken too much, although I was told to just give a few words. Lastly, magandang umaga sa lahat. Ako si Jovelyn Pucoran, magtuturo dito sa paaralan ng Rowandale. Binabati ko po kayong lahat, lalo na sa ating mga panauhin, mga kapamilya, at kapwa Pilipino dito sa Manurewa. Isang malaking karangalan na makasama kayo sa pagdiriwang na ito. Good morning, everyone. I am Jovelyn Pucoran. I am teaching here at Rowandale School. Greetings to everyone, especially to our visitors, parents, panel, and fellow Filipinos in Manurewa. It's a great honor to have you join this celebration. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Why is it important to learn about the Filipino language during Filipino Language Week?
It's important because it keeps our culture alive, and there's lots of beautiful things in the world.
Apat, 5:30. Drum roll, please. The winner is room 9. Come to Team Monaco. The winner, drum roll, please. Room 60. Team Takapolo, drum roll, please. I forgot. Room 23. Excellent.
Couldn't help but listen to Mrs. Bokran earlier on and all the wonderful things she said about being acknowledged. Now, you know that some communities are very large. I just want to take this time to congratulate our Filipino community and the committee as well, the staff, students, for being a part of and acknowledging the learning and celebrating this vibrant, amazing culture. All the parents come in as well and celebrate and be part of the celebration. We look forward to seeing more of you in time too. Bye-bye, and we come Filipino. Happy Filipino Language Week, everyone.